Sawadee YouTube. How is it going, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. And today we're here at Ayutthaya, and we are here visiting two places at the same time. So this is called the Ancient Palace, back to the Kingdom of Ayutthaya in the 1600s. And there is a temple called Phra Si Sanphet, sorry, Phra Si Sanphet, right attached to this palace. And yeah, I just got excited, able to be here, check out the ancient palace of the Kingdom Ayutthaya. And by looking at those remains, just to imagine what they look like back to 500 years ago, before they got invaded by the foreign country. And by taking a slow walk in the ancient palace walkway, yeah, I can smell something called antique, ancient. And this place is basically made from almost bricks. I assume like there's some wood they use as part of the architecture materials. Somehow when invaders came in, I assume the invaders burnt out everything, leaving only the bricks part of the remains or ruins. That's what we can see. That's the only thing left here for us to explore. But yeah, the area of the ancient palace of Ayutthaya Kingdom is huge, and all the halls, the posts, and also the brick walls, base, foundation. Here in Ayutthaya, not only the attraction sites, we can see the ancient remains. Even on the street side, roadside, we can see some random ancient buildings from ancient Ayutthaya Kingdom. Not as high density as the travel attraction, tourist attraction sites here though. But yeah, that's just gonna say everything here, they are basically almost like old. Not only here at the attraction sites, but also the whole city is old. This is amazing. Look at the remains of the Buddha statue. And the damaged towers. More statues here. I assume they try to rebuild or restore the base. The base looks a little bit newer and flat, but compared to this tower, see, that's its original shape. Is randomly, it's not as flat as the other restored brick walls. Hey. Now we are walking across this ancient palace and taking a walk straight to the temple named Wat Phra Si Sanphet. Hey. This part of the palace, the main towers, they look relatively well preserved, and people, they place 3 half bottles of water here, maybe in this way to do their worship or to worship a little bit. And now you can see the comparison. In front is the ancient tower, and on the back, that's the modern temple in Ayutthaya. This place is old, really old and quiet. Even the trees sitting here, they are really, really old as well. That piece of architecture looks more like the tip of any of the towers. I would assume the three main towers, they are original as before. They are the original towers, while other buildings, they may be restored. This is just amazing. Too bad that there's not enough. There's no brochure available here, neither enough signs or descriptions of names of the buildings. That's sort of wondering if one day they can collect more information from these ancient images and post more signs and descriptions to to these sites so that we can learn more when visiting this place. Definitely, this is a great honor to get a chance to visit this kind of this ancient remains of the Ayutthaya Kingdom dated back to the 1700s. Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please consider like and subscribe to this channel so that you won't, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video updates, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.